You are going to love the 2025 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, hill descent control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, glass breakage sensor, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.